Okay, now we'll see another great tool within Xcode. So go ahead and open up Xcode. And you should see the welcome screen. If not, go to Window, select Welcome to Xcode, and you should see the welcome screen. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new playground by selecting the first option, Get started with a playground, or by going into File, New, Playground. And I'm just going to open up a blank one. I'm going to hit Next, name this Test Playground, and hit Create. So I just save it on my desktop. Now, a playground is exactly what it sounds like. It was designed to be a place to test and experiment with code without creating an application project. It provides real-time code results, which is great to see what your code is doing and familiarize yourself with the Swift language. It's really a good place to play with code. So the left pane is the code editor, where you enter your Swift code while the right-hand pane displays the results of the code entered. Our first program has a very simple code. The default code imports UIKit, which contains all UI related things. But let's change this to import foundation instead, since we're not going to code any UI related stuffs. Foundation module allow us to access things like essential data types and collections. And a default variable called str was also included. So this is an example of how to declare a variable in Swift. Let's try and run this code and see its output. By clicking on this play button just at the left of this string variable. So immediately you can see the result on the right hand pane, which says Hello Playground. We can also put comments in our code to explain something and document our code. To put a single line comment, for example, for this variable, we can type in 2 forward slashes. We can say, this is an example of a variable of type string. So what Playground will do, or the Xcode compiler will just ignore this comment and it will not be executed as part of your code. Or you could also write this in multiple lines using a forward slash asterisk and closing it with another pair of asterisk forward slash. Now your comment spans multiple lines. Now let's try and update the value of our str variable and see what happens. Hit the play button. Now you can see that the variable has been updated. Now that you've got the basics of playgrounds, it is now time to learn the fundamentals of the Swift language. So in the next lesson, we'll start to explore programming concepts using Playground. I'll see you there.